You got rid of him. Well, what if Andy starts playing with me more, Woody, huh?
You guys gonna
knock me out of the window, too?
That's because he's super tricky.
I don't think we should give him the chance.
We need you to help us look for him.
for Shape Bandit?
Where is the Shape Bandit?
Right there. He's hiding for that mailbox.
There he is. He's hiding in that mailbox.
So you got rid of him. Well, what if Andy starts playing with me more, Woody, huh? You're gonna knock me out of the window, too?
I don't think we should give him the chance.
Me too. What are we waiting for?
Hurry up, Ben! Drag him! Let's string him up by his poster!
Would you boys stop it?
No.
No, wait, I can explain everything.
Dad, Lily,
Guys,
Greta!
with him.
Hurry up, Ben! Drag him! Let's string him up by his pull string.
That guy gives out his hand.
Would you boys stop it?
Tackle him.
No, wait, I can explain everything. Drag him! Let's string him up by his pull string.
That guy gives out his hand.
Would you boys stop it?
Tackle him.
No, wait, I can explain everything.
Well, we seem to have a problem here. If everyone tries getting out of the door at the same time, no one will be going anywhere.
David, I'll be right down. I've got to get Buzz.
Oh my gosh, look.
He's getting away on that super fast motorcycle. Mom, do you know where Buzz is?
No, I haven't seen him. Andy, I'm heading out the door.
Yeah, that's right, Woody.
We need our own motorcycle so we can follow him.
Well, guys.
Whatever will you do?
We could take turns.
Yeah.
If only.
Had Sheriff Woody merely bought a Geo Gold and arrived for a piece of planet.
Geo still had his shape belt.
Yeah, then he could build us a motorcycle out of shapes.
Sure.
Mr. Robot, you three guys can leave for now. These three guys, we'll stay here and we'll get into this Andy's house. He has a new house, and
Like raising our hands to take turns speaking. Wait a second. I see shapes right here at this playground.
toy shapes.
Toy shapes. But Mom, I can't find it. I can use the toys to make a motorcycle.
Honey, just grab some other toy. Now, come on.
I think that is an excellent idea.
Okay. Everybody line up.
You stay here. You stay here. And Team Izumi jump into the motorcycle. We catch that bad guy.
Edison first, then Tad, then me. Okay.
Excellent! You two really are ready
For a new house and ready
for school. Recess!
Hey guys.
I couldn't find my Buzz. I know I left him right there.
Honey, I'm sure he's around. You'll find him.
Dad, look, I'm watching.
Well done, Bluey.
Well,
A motorcycle?
has a drive for the Dinoco gas station for the pizza planet?
Made out of toys?
I've got to see this.
There, all things are belongs together. So far, we need a blueprint.
All right. Now we need a blueprint. Here's a blueprint of a motorcycle. And here's how we're gonna make it out of toys. Look,
And look over there.
this baseball mitt fits right there to make the motorcycle seat. Where does this hockey stick go? Over there. Over there, yeah. Where do these two frisbees go? Those. Yeah. They make the motorcycle wheels.
So, are you finished yet?
We're almost finished.
So, now we need to put the shovel and pail right over there for the handlebars and Santa. So,
Where do the shovel and pail go?
Right there.
Right there. They can make the dashboard and handlebars. Now, to turn these toy shapes into a super motorcycle, sing Super Shapes with me.
Super shapes.
Revving robotics. It worked.
Unbelievable. You made a motorcycle out of toy shapes.
all right, Mr. Space Ranger.
Copy right out ahead, Geo.
All right.
Now let's catch up with that
Sheriff Woodie.
sheep bandit.
Seatbelts on.